Who likes to pay more in taxes than they have to? Every year, many Americans fail to take tax deductions for which they are eligible. That's why today I'm going to be talking about the top 4 overlooked tax deductions that can save you money. The home office deduction. So if you're an independent contractor or even self-employed and you have some office space right in your home, like a home office, it's a good idea to be looking at the home office deduction when it comes to tax time. So here what you'll want to do is look at the total square footage of your home and then decide how much square footage is attributed to your home office. This will give you a percentage of the total square footage in your home to then utilize for the home office deduction. You'll want to make sure that you're tracking all of your expenses and that square footage when it comes to tax time. Now, when it comes to those of you that are working from home these days, just know if you're a W-2 employee, this wouldn't apply. It's mainly for independent contractors and the self-employed. Out-of-pocket charity. Most people think about charitable giving as though they're giving dollars to a charitable organization. Just make sure you don't overlook all of the other items you may be giving to charities. Things like clothing, household appliances, or even your time. When you're giving of your time, if you're utilizing your vehicle, it's something that you'll want to keep track of your mileage for. You could be earning a tax deduction for it. Just make sure any donations over $250, it's a good thing to make sure you have a receipt for that donation. State taxes. Did you owe in state taxes last year? If you did, just be sure to utilize this on your federal tax return as a deduction in the current year. This is often overlooked by many tax filers and is a common mistake that we often see. Just know the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017 did put a $10,000 cap on this amount. So anything below that, make sure that you're utilizing it this year on your taxes. Medicare premiums. If you're self-employed and not covered by an employer-sponsored health plan, you'll be able to deduct Medicare premiums on your taxes. Now, whether that's Medicare Part B, Part D, Medigap, or even Medicare Advantage, just know that this is a tax deduction that's available to you whether you itemize or not. So make sure you're taking advantage of it. Hopefully today you've learned more about the top 4 most overlooked tax deductions out there. At the end of the day, we all want to keep more of our money in our pockets instead of Uncle Sam's pocket. If you've got more questions, give me a call. I'm here to help.